that's super exciting. There's no trains today, so we got to take the bus, see wherever that will end up. Apparently, there's no trains right now, but I don't know, not sure about that. Now, as y'all see, I changed my portfolio a little bit because I got this tote bag with me, a jacket, and that's it. Nothing more than this. I do wonder if it'll be enough. I did find the Netherlands to be pretty boring while traveling, as there's almost nothing out there. Versus the US, where there's always something to see, right? That's a pretty cool setup.